So how to use the existing infrastructure to collect data for different institutions, different organizations which are trying to manage the city is something what we do as a centralized command and control centers. We at Aries, we are an IoT company, 2 decades of experience working on smart cities. Before that, I used to work for Tech Mahindra, and there I worked very closely with Sanjay's Mahindra World City. We implemented number of use cases for a smart city, from smart street lights to smart water management, to smart parking, smart this, smart that. But the main basis, Pawan, was to how to have a centralized command and control center, where all the data can come in from different sensors. And
sorry, just to interrupt you, for the sake of the uninitiated in the audience, please describe an integrated command and control center, and then next.
Okay, basically, Pawan, it's a centralized command and control center. Okay, sometimes you feel that there are different kind of use cases, and different kind of use cases needs to implement and give data to different sources. Just for the sake of example, a municipality in a city works to collect the garbage and clean the garbage, whereas the traffic police works on managing the traffic. Okay, this police for security also does get data to manage the security. Can they all three work from a single camera? Okay, and how can I have a centralized location where I get data from different sensors in the whole city and try to see, okay, this data is required by the municipality to get the garbage collected. This data is required for the transportation to say there is a huge traffic jam and you need to take a different route. Or if there is a theft happening or something has been stolen, how can the same camera provide data to the police department to catch hold of something to be caught at the next red light? Okay, and this is just one example of a camera as a data collector. Or this can be for anything, but how can I have a centralized platform where data coming from different sources of sensors and devices can be utilized for different functionalities? Because in a city, you have a water department, you have an electricity department, you have a health department, you have a municipality, you have a police department, and they all have their own functions. That means there is a need for a city level governance, which needs to be collectively done. And that's what we specializes in. Our platform provides that single platform, and we got award for that. And we were able to get all the data in a single platform, which can be monitored. And there can be a number of examples, and many cities now have started implementing those centralized command and control centers. And we have those solutions available. How to take the existing infrastructure, how to take from the existing infrastructure, Pawan, I mean, sometimes you feel that the light pole, okay, for me that light pole is an access to electricity power. And what all I can do on that pole to get as much data as I can, because I have access to electricity and an infrastructure that is standing at a height. Okay, so how to use the existing infrastructure to collect data for different institutions, different organizations which are trying to manage the city is something what we do as a centralized command and control centers. Okay, that's one part, Pawan. But the main thought which I wanted to discuss as a technologist, there are two kinds of cities that are getting smarter, or we are trying to make them smarter. One are the greenfield, something which is very similar to what Sanjay and his team has done in the Mahindra World City Jaipur, which is a new, I think, 3,000 plus acres of land and creating a new well. But how can you do Delhi? How will you change Gurgaon? How will you change Faridabad and the many other cities which are having their own issues and challenges? They were created, must be somebody had planned, I don't know. But there are cities where there is no sewage system. There are cities where there is no water pipes. Okay, and there are so many other challenges which we are trying to fix. And for those kind of cities, the technology gets challenged, and we need to find solutions for them. And that's where we are currently working on seeing how can we make things better.